Hello and welcome to AI TV. We're coming to you from the 7th edition of AI Expo Africa. I'm Tembekile Mkhototo, coming to you from the Sandton Convention Center. In fact, this is the largest event of its kind, and here to tell us more about what's going to be happening between now and tomorrow is the organizer of AI Expo Africa, Nick Bradshaw. Nick, good to see you. So the show is finally off the road. 7th edition. How's it going so far?
Yeah, we just finished the plenary, so my big job's done now. I can relax a little bit, which is why I'm talking to you. But yeah, this is the 7th edition show. Yeah, we've been working on this for a year, and obviously this 2 days is the culmination of all that effort. But there's been a lot of really interesting side meetings, discussions going on. We had the largest number of delegates we've ever had, and the largest number of exhibitors and sponsors as well. So yeah, it's been a crazy ride to the show, and now you see the results of and fruits of those labours, and it's great to see everybody in the room enjoying themselves.
And just how many people are you expecting? I mean, this event is getting bigger with each year. 7th one now.
That's correct, yeah. So 2,700 registrations was the goal, and I think when I looked at it this morning, it was 2,692.
Impressive.
So, yeah,
that's well over 90%.
Yeah, I mean, obviously we're not sure how many people will turn up, but I mean, already from the show you can see it's pretty full, so we're pretty happy about that.
And for those who are coming, what do you have in store for them? Because I know you're running multiple sessions at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, we set quite an ambitious program. We have a lot of people that want to speak, so we have 48 talks, we have 3 plenary keynotes, 7 networking sessions, we've got almost 50 startups on the expo floor, we've got large corporates on the expo floor as well. So it's an expo speaking program, and then we, in parallel, we run a workshop program. Again, fairly ambitious. We train 200 people in a 90-minute session, and we run 8 of those sessions over the 2 days, and they're CPD certified through the association, South African AI Association. And yeah, people come away with a learning certificate, 90 minutes more knowledge, and the chance to meet some new people and listen to some interesting vendors.
Which is important, right? Because we all attend conferences, but what you want at the end of it is to walk away with something tangible year on year.
That's right. They always say you've had a good conference if you've got backache and your feet hurt. So I'm at that stage already. But yeah, I think it's the same thing with every event, every community. The more effort you put in, the more value you get out. The first part is turning up, and then the second part is just jumping in and shaking hands and talking to strangers and just learning something new about each other.
And are there specific themes that you really want everyone to spend a lot of time on, to focus on over the 2 days?
Yeah, I mean, the big one for this year is responsible AI. Through the association, we launched last year. We're 2,500 members now. The whole organisation is promoting responsible AI. So the association has various activities that we do. We have a free learning program on the website. So if you go to saaiassociation.co.za, it's free to join. The learning program's free. You can grow some awareness around responsible AI, what it is. And yeah, and then we've sponsored 10 startups this year. You know, we've got a lot to thank for our sponsors who came on. We only started funding ourselves financially from the 1st of March. So,
wow.
So we're still fairly new. But yeah, the whole ecosystem's growing very rapidly, and yeah, we want more people to sign up.
You say the ecosystem is growing rapidly. How do you keep up? Because it feels, for those of us looking from the outside in, that every few months there's something new in the AI space that we need to learn about. So when you put this together, the biggest gathering of its kind on the continent, how do you even begin to pull all of that together?
Yeah, it's not easy. That's the first thing. I think, well, we set out with a vision from the very beginning that we wanted it to be inclusive, that we wanted groups of people that are normally underrepresented to be present, so female delegates, for example.
There's a women's pavilion, I think, as well.
We have a women's pavilion, yeah. I mean, yeah, we achieve anywhere between 34-36% female delegate attendance, so industry average for tech events globally is 21%. So, yeah, we're doing something right. The education side of it was always there from the beginning, which has grown even more now. So, yeah, we've broadly stuck to that format, and it works. So when it works, you tend not to change it.
Don't fix it if it's not working.
Exactly, yeah. So, yeah, it's still a lot of hard work. I mean, the great news for next year is that we're bringing in the UNITU with their first proper AI for Good Africa impact event, and they're going to co-locate it with us next year here at the Sandton Convention Center.
Let me give you the last word then. To anyone who maybe wanted to come this year but couldn't make it, why should they make sure that they are here next year?
Yeah, I mean, look, we did a survey at the beginning of the show this morning, and we just asked, who's new to the ecosystem, who's new to the show, and literally most people are new to the show. There's obviously some repeat people that come. Yeah, I mean, my message to people is sign up for the association. It's free. We offer workshop passes through various partners, which are free also for a period of time, and engage early in the development of the show. We have people signing up from January onwards. We sold out the show floor this year about 2 months ago. So yeah, engage early and sign up and come and join us next year.
Nick Bradshaw, organizer, AI Expo Africa. Good to talk to you. I'll let you go now because lots to do over the next few days, and we'll be here with AI TV speaking to some of the speakers, the delegates and exhibitors from AI Expo Africa, the 7th edition. Stay tuned to AI TV.